If I use plastic buckles to close the bow, I need to add a bulkhead to maintain the shape of the bow. I've come up with a good idea here, which does not require bulkhead. I use PVC pipe to create a bracket. Then I mount it on top of the bow. Assembly is fast, it's strong and very robust. I can lock it with a pin. For now, I will reuse the kayak seat from my other project. After the water test, I will integrate the seat and floorboard into the kayak, so there will be one less assembly to carry. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do. Tell your friends about it. Thanks for watching. Bye.